The eggs and the sugar. Now we are going to pour in our 240 grams of sugar. So right away, we are going to add in our vanilla. Then we are also going to pour in our 900 ml of milk. So right now, you know how it is when you beat. You know how it is when you beat your eggs. This bubbles will always appear. So the only thing there is this. We need to sieve it and use our tissue to remove these bubbles we are seeing. So the only way out is this. I have already made it on my other video. You can see the thumbnail of the video to know how I make this caramel. You can watch and check for it on my YouTube channel. So right now we are going to transfer our mixture into that pot, small pot, and so right away we are going to sieve in our mixture in this bowl to avoid the bubbles. Okay, so right now right away we need to remove these bubbles you are seeing now. But before we remove these bubbles, we need to transfer it into the container we are going to use in making them, which is this one. So So we are going to pour in water. The oven. That's the only way out. We cover it with this foil and pop it into the oven.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did.
Is cooked. We have popped it out from the oven, and we need to place this. We need to pop it into our fridge to get cold. Like the last one I did, I poured it out without letting it cool, you understand? So but this one I had to leave it in the fridge as it is. We are going to pop them into the fridge so that it will get cooled, and that is it. So right away we need to bring out our cream caramel that we prepared. So first of all, we need to pass this round. So next, you can see the cream caramel is still under, but it's okay. You can see our cream caramel. So so guys, I hope you all enjoyed how we make that video. Ooh, how we make the caramel. Anyway, because for me, why I chose to make this like this is, for instance, if I don't have heavy cream, does it mean I cannot make my recipe? So today's recipe, I made it without heavy cream. My teacher taught me with heavy cream in the recipe, but I excluded heavy cream. So this is how it is. Let's give it a test without we are talking too much. It be like I said, I don't talk much. I'm talking too much on this recipe. Let's give our dessert a test. You know I love testing when it comes to work. Trust me on that. I go help you call results. So let's, wow, wow, this is heaven. Ooh. Yes, you can hear her voice. My second chef. This tastes so great, and with the caramel, you will understand. I left it in the fridge to cool a bit. Guys, you need to give this a try. This is wonderful. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to leave me comments on the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. And if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, in fact, click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, there is a bell beside it. Click the bell. And also like our videos. Don't leave this video without subscribing and leaving us a like, and also tuning on your notification bell so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That's the essence of clicking the bell. So guys, thank you for staying tuned to this channel. I'm grateful for having you guys here in this channel. And all the same, let's continue the discussion in the comments section. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.